my name is Arturs. I am representative of KEBAB Factory. We have 4 restaurants in Latvia. We offer from kebabs, burgers and much more, fast food, street food. Big only company in Latvia from kebab industry who have our own personalized packaging. At the moment we have 4 kebab restaurants, but we are planning to open some more. At the moment we have 2 huge size kebab food trucks. We are going to the different large size and middle size parties and different sports competitions, offering good food and drinks. We are 5+ years on the Latvian market. We have 60+ colleagues who are working in our company. This is great teamwork and we are 100% Latvian company. The success story is that we have great quality of our product. We have the highest level service. 5 years behind the counter, we had the posters on the wall with all the prices, our products and other information. But we decided that we need to move forward and we started to look for digital screens. We choose professional screens because it's time efficiency and we are saving some money. We don't need to print posters and we don't need to make changes on these posters every week or every month or every day. If we need to change some information on the screens, we think what we need to change, prices or pictures or anything else, then it takes only some clicks and it's done. If we are looking long term, this is very helpful for our company. Signage were very helpful starting from the project layout. Installation part was really easy with Signtech. Workers are very professional and done this job really great and fast. And lastly, great support on the software side. We are really happy about the result, how it looks like. The screens are very bright and colorful. We can put so many different moving objects or personalized videos and photos and banners, and we can change the prices easily and we really recommend.